Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Here's a quick tip for you. Here's a little tool that we use. It's called an easy out. Middle of the summer now, you should be using your sprinkler system on a regular basis. One of the things that comes along with using your sprinkler system though is going to be maintenance. And what I mean by that, broken heads or busted pipes, things like that. So if you choose to do your own sprinkler work, think about all those times where you've had like maybe you broke a shrub riser. This is one of the heads that you'll see like inside of your landscaping, and you might be trimming your bushes and bust up against it, and you'll break off just these threads down inside the pipe. Now there's two problems that usually create the most headache for you. Number one, you don't have a lot to grab a hold of with pliers or anything, but number two, this break is usually underground. So that means you'd have to dig a big hole out around it, and then you'd have to try to get pliers down in there. Same thing applies with like rotor heads or the little spring powered pop-up heads. You know, if they break off underground, there's usually there's broken plastic pipe that gets hung up somewhere, and you are left trying to reach there with needle noses or something along that. This, an easy out, I'll put a link to it here on Amazon or something. It's something that we use on a daily basis. It's got these little threads here on the end with these little teeth, and you can see this one here's been used a lot. It's got these little teeth here that what it is, these teeth are threaded backwards. So whenever you stick this tool down and you stick it inside of the piece of the broken pipe and you start to spin, those teeth grab and it'll allow you to spin the pipe. Another advantage is that it's got this little bit of a longer handle on it, so when that pipe is underground, you don't have to worry about digging out. All you got to do is just stick this tool, you know, at the ground levels here. You can stick the tool underground, you can unscrew it, get the broken piece of pipe out of there, and then you're just left just to screw in the new replacement part. So it's a pretty invaluable tool. If you want to do your own irrigation maintenance, I'd really advise that you look into getting one. So hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.